Alright, so here we are. Let's just put this thing on a tripod. Now let me start this camera. Okay, so we are here. Is it recording? Great. So today is 18 August 2019. This unboxing of the Panasonic RX-5100F. Okay, so you can say howdy to this camera, and you can say howdy to that camera. And that's on a swivel, on a new fancy deal. And this is the other camera, so I turn them both here. Okay, tilt this one to the floor. All right. Okay, so that's looking like that. And this one is, let's see here. That's me looking at the camera. There's the other phone. Okay, so now, without further ado, tilt this down to the floor. Okay, so undo the blue box there, all right? So, and is that, okay, so I need to be, so, well, okay, so I need to be like that. And then this one here is, let's see here. Tilt it more to the floor. Okay, so, all right, so now let me get this out of the way. This was, we don't know. All right, so this is the box I'm going to do, okay? Now, just as a whatever, I'm using, see, I can see it in, well, I can't see it in that way here. Okay, maybe you can see it, maybe you can't, I don't know. I'm just playing this tape here, like that, and wait. All right, I can't, I'm not trying to sell that song, but anyway, the thing is that this is a good power cord, all right? So this is good power. So I just want to make sure of that. Let's turn off my tape because it's running on batteries. And kick the tape out, okay? Put the tape, okay, put this over here, that there, this here, here's scissors. All right, okay, got scissors, and then here's just a little shake. It's well packaged, I think. It's big box. It's an oversized box with somewhat slightly smaller feeling doohickey inside. We're opening it from this side because the other side has all that tracking information. So anyway, so just, oh wow. This has got some interesting stuff in here. Not seen before. All right. So what is this? This is like fiberglass but green. That's just weird. And it got bubble wrap. Okay, so, and it's a funny feeling to it. So here's the radio. Very easily out of the box. Great, I can save some of this and use. That's some interesting stuff. Okay, so we're not even going to go there with this box. So just get this, shove this out of the way. Okay, great. So over there, and here's the radio thing. So and then just, okay, let's go back to the scissors so we can preserve this stuff. So yeah, let's, okay, so then, oh, we went to the micro stuff. Okay, well, and then I just, so now, big stuff off, well, maybe not. All right, so there we go. So now, fabulous. So there's big stuff, and then we have. This is a somewhat rare model because it's Missing the antenna right away, but that's okay because it still had the stub to it, which is connected to the rest of the chassis. So it's just a matter of finding an antenna and attaching it to it, right? So that's like basically a non-issue. But fabulous. Okay, so we've got a, all right. So that's what it looks like. It's dirty on top. Here's the stub. There's that. Okay, so let's just plug it in. We'll go through the motions of all the other stuff in a moment. Now, it just has a tone. Both volumes are down. They're stiff somewhat. Okay, put it on stereo. All right. And then the volume is there. Put it on radio. The level is off. The CR02 tape. Okay, so plug it in, plug it in. Those are smooth, but they're dirty because it's giving you volume all the way at the bottom when it shouldn't have any. So those are definitely dirty, all right? If we tune the radio. We don't even know what channel it's on. What's the channel's on? It is on medium wave. Let's put it on FM. Okay, it's got whatever. All right, and then we got fine tuning and normal tuning. All right, so it's on FM now, so where's the tuning dial? It's at the end. Uh-oh, no FM. No FM. Uh-oh. Well, probably needs the switches cleaned on it, so I'm not going to flip it over to radio. Let's see, tape. Let's see what the tape player does. So hit eject. Very slow to open. Help it along. Let's try fast forward. Oh, good torque. All right. Let's try rewind. Good torque. All right. Let's try play. Play, and the take-up reel is not turning. Well, yes, the take-up reel is not turning, but the cap stand's moving along. So I'm not going to even bother with trying to play a tape in here because it'll eat it right away, and I just don't need to go through that. So, oops. Yeah, so, all right, so it's going to, all right, so it needs a lot of work. Okay, well, there it is like that. So now I'm going to take, take this camera down, all right, and give you an up close view of this. All right, so here is that stuff there. Okay, your aux, your chrome normal, your level, your tune battery, line in radio, and so on and so forth. Then you have your standard buttons here, cue and review. Okay, your tone control, your dual volume. Stereo mono. This one's missing the antenna, as you can see. And then the front of it looks like that. Okay. And it's got a tape counter, which, let's see, does the tape counter work? Let's see here. Put the pause on. We had the pause on. Wait, stop. Eject. And then hit play again. Oh gosh, darn, the tape, okay, all right, it was on pause and I didn't realize it. Let's put this back up on the tripod. Maybe we can play a tape in here. All right, so now flip this back around, okay. Oh, what do I do with my tape? My tape here, okay. Oh, just hot, okay. So now let's hit stop. Wait, stop. All right, this is my, who knows, all right, so. Put that in there, put it on tape, hit play. It's not doing anything. Oh, it wasn't fully in, okay. Door issues, all right. Okay, he's a dirty white boy. All right, so the tape player plays. And like that. And here's a little piece of plastic. We'll have to figure out where that went to. All right, so it works. Looks like that. Let's see here. I'm gonna tape my tape out. Eject. Okay, we'll have to figure out why that's so stiff, but and it won't close properly. But there it is. All right, so it does that, does that, does that. All right, so now let's stand up and hold this camera, or hold this up to the. I already showed the tops, the ends, the like that. Main tuning, fine tuning, FM, medium wave, shortwave 1 and 2. Hopefully you can see that there as well. It see, it says right here on the back. Let's see, can I see it in the, yeah, I can. Looks like that in the back. I'm actually looking in the mirror seeing the, well, here. So, yeah, there. Looks like that. Then this. And then that. Okay. And then here's this here. Okay. And then the back. Here's the back. Alright, so here's the, I don't know if that's fuzzy or not, but looks like that. Okay, so yeah, too much fun. Alright, so hopefully you've seen all this. Oh, and then, oh, how could I forget the all-important input and output stuff. Okay, so here, let you see it as well. Input and output. I have my flashlight in my pocket like I'm supposed to. Yeah, I do. Okay, so let's get that out. So you can see that there. It's got the, what is this? Mic. These two are the mics. These two are your external speakers. Line in, line out. Standard 1/4 inch jack. Your DC input along with your AC input. Okay, so you see that here? Alright, so should be bright enough light for you to make that out. Alright, so, okay. So, there it is. There's my, well, you can't see nothing but my feet. Alright, so here, let me, what can you all see? I don't know. There it is there. Let me take this thing once again off the camera. Or the camera off the tripod. Alright. And, 12 minutes, okay. 12 minutes. What I want to look at is the back. Oops. So just let's get a good view of that. Okay. And then that there. Okay, and you know what that is. And then we have this takes, how many batteries? It takes 8D batteries, and it does have world voltage, as we can see right there. We didn't even check, but okay, so it looks like that, and that. And then over here, we have the all-important those deals, right? So it's got, there we go. So looks like that, and that. You heard it working, but it needs a lot of help. It's not in the best condition, but you know. All right, so I've had too much fun here showing you this along with the people in Facebook. Good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. I gotta go unbox another one. This one over here. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I gotta go. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Okay, so now I've got that. While I'm here, I just need to, what, tilt it here? So, wait, that'd be a good spot to hold it up. Yeah, so get me a picture for the thing. So it's got the handle. There we go. Let's see. What does it look like if I turn that on? Oh, I can't. Wait. Here. That's too far back. How about if I put it on the ground? Will that work? Yeah, there we go. Just put it on the ground. Leave a little bit of. All right. I've had too much fun. Let's turn that off. Turn off the live feed on the Facebook thing. So let's see. How do I release this off of here? Can I release this? Yeah. There we go. So Well, okay. Hello, Wendy. Okay, so it's been breaking up now that I brought it down to the floor. All right. Thanks for watching. Good day. Bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. I gotta go.